Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to create hyperlinks in Microsoft Excel. Hyperlinks can make your Excel sheets smarter, faster to navigate, and much more user-friendly. So let's get right into it. Let's start by creating a simple hyperlink to a website. In any cell, type the text that you want to turn into a hyperlink. For example, I will type visit W3 School's website. Now, right-click the cell and choose Link or press Ctrl K on your keyboard. In the dialog box that appears, under the field called Address, I will type the website URL. Click OK, and just like that, the text in the cell is now clickable hyperlink that opens the website. Next, let's create a hyperlink that takes us to another cell or even a different worksheet in the same file. In a new cell, I will type Go to Sales Data. Right-click the cell and choose Link or press Ctrl K. In the Insert Hyperlink window, on the left-hand side, click Place in this document. Then, I'll select Sheet 2 from the list. Now in the Type Cell reference box, I will type B4 so that clicking the link will take us to cell B4 on Sheet 2. If you want to change the text that will display, you can update it here too. But I will keep it as Go to Sales Data. Click OK, and now when I click this cell, Excel will jump directly to Sheet 2, cell B4. Now let's create a hyperlink that opens a file or folder on your computer. I will type Open Monthly Report in a new cell. Right-click the cell and choose Link or press Ctrl K. In the Insert Hyperlink window, make sure existing file or web page is selected on the left. Now I will browse to the file or folder I want to link to. For example, I will choose my April sales report file. Don't worry, no spreadsheets were harmed in the making of this link. Click OK, and now clicking this cell will open that file directly. And that's it. Now you know how to create hyperlinks in Excel, whether it's to a website, another cell, a different worksheet, or even a file or a folder. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for topics you want me to cover, please drop a comment below. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.